Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Bespoke post. This box is one of my favorite boxes to receive, you guys, because it's so much more beyond the box. A lot of times with subscription boxes, we get a lot of products that are single-use products, or you might be able to use them for a couple of times till you run out. But this box, I typically can use over and over and over again. So it's one of the better subscription boxes out there, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full unboxing today. We're gonna check it out. And this is a big box today, you guys. So if you've never seen Bespoke post before, this is a monthly subscription box. I will be posting a link down below and you guys can actually save $20 off if you purchase through my link. You'll receive at the beginning of the month, usually from like the 1st to the 3rd, it will be a customization window. And you will be able to go in and choose what box you want. And then as their algorithm gets to learn what you prefer, they will actually start to choose for you based off of your past picks. Now you can always swap it out during that window. So even if the computer chooses one for you and you're like, I won't use that, you can still change it for a different box. But if you get your box in and you don't love it, you can also return it, which is a really cool feature too. So this is my latest box. It's pretty big. I'm not quite sure what's in this because I just let the computer choose for me. I typically get a lot of like food or kitchen boxes, and that's only because I usually choose that for myself. So the computer has now picked up on that and has said, okay, we're gonna send these her way. And so now I just trust it and I let it do its thing. But I would say if you're new to this box, definitely check out that customization window just to make sure it's what you want. Oh, we got box within boxes actually. So I have another box in here. So this is just a large packing box. Oh, well, that's kind of disappointing. It's not near as big. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is I hear a rattle in this box. It's not a very big one. Maybe it's okay. But I always get nervous when I can hear something because I'm like, oh great, did something break? So when I open up my box, I have more packing material. Do you hear it though? Like there's just a little tiny rattle. So when I open up my box, I have more packing material. I do have a card. This is usually going to tell us the theme of our box. And it says to scan the QR code. This is the Fin box, P-H-I-N. And it looks like we're making coffee. It says there's milk creamer in here and mugs. Oh my gosh, I think we have coffee this month. You guys, I am such a coffee freak. I love a good cup of joe. And I'm the person that will have multiple cups in a day. Like I usually have like 4 cups of coffee at least. I'll space them all out. Don't get me wrong. They're not all at one time. But I'm even to the point now that I'm actually looking at investing in a nice coffee machine, like espresso maker, like all that. I'm researching. I'm in the very early stages of that, but I am looking into it. So this box is totally up my alley. So first item that we have in our box today is another box, but these are coffee mugs. This is the Vietnamese coffee set, and it's a set of 2 glass mugs. It says that this kit is featuring specifically Vietnamese coffee. In Vietnam, the use of sweetened condensed milk is an addition to coffee that dates back to the 1850s. At that time, it was very difficult to get fresh milk, and thus condensed milk proved to be an effective alternative. It lasted longer in the tropical climate. You didn't need to refrigerate it. It then became a trend that caught on, and now it's tradition. So it's a rich, bitter, strong flavor of coffee along with this sweetened condensed milk. So that is what we're making this month. I will try this. I've never done that before. I've never thought to take sweetened condensed milk and use it in my coffee, but I will definitely give it a shot. So this is what it will look like. There are 2 of these in the box. I'm only gonna pull out the one since they're the same and they're just glass cups, but they are really nice and minimalist. I mean, they definitely give you a modern look. These are also dishwasher safe, which is even better. The next item in my box is latte creamers. These are 8 single serve packets. You'll add these and it says just milk and sugar inside of them. It's from the Copper Cow Coffee Company. Oh my goodness. It says this sweetened latte creamer is honestly made. It's real milk and sugar inside of this. You do not need to refrigerate them because again, we're using that condensed milk. So you don't have to refrigerate these. You're going to mix it in with your coffee and you're going to have Vietnamese coffee by means of these packets. So I do like that you're getting 8 cups here, but again, you get to reuse these glass cups over and over again after that. And that's why I say it's a better box because you're getting your money's worth and then some. The next item that I have, oh, I got more mugs. Apparently this is a set of 4. Okay, let me double check. I want to make sure these are the same, but I think, yeah, these are the exact same mugs. So apparently it's a set of 4 glass mugs that we have in this box. Well, that's a nice surprise. Last up in this box, we have the fin filters and the coffee spoons inside of this. I think this is what's rattling, so I'm really hoping this is good. We're gonna open it very gently, but also on the back, there's instructions on how to make Vietnamese coffee. So it mentions that you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee into the base of the filter. You're gonna put the press on top of this. There's a plate and a chamber on top of the cup. You're gonna use 5 ounces of boiling water, let it brew, then mix in that sweetened condensed milk that we just saw earlier. And then it says you'll wanna drink that afterwards. So in here, we have all of those things. So it comes with 2 spoons. These will be the stir spoons for your glasses. Oh my gosh. And they do have a long handle in here, so it is a really nice stir spoon. I like when they are the longer handles because then you don't have to get anything on you. The next item is going to be the filter and the plate. Everything that you're going to use to make your coffee. Oh, this is so cool. See, this is something that I would expect to do while traveling, is if you were going to Vietnam and you're trying out something different, you would get to experience this. But what I love is that by means of a subscription box, you don't have to travel. You can actually try it all at home. And it does give you instructions on this because like I said, this will have the saucer here and that filter inside. So you'll be able to put your coffee down below. You're gonna actually then fill this up, use your press, and then you're going to put the glass mug, I bet this is gonna fit perfectly on here. You'll put the glass mug underneath, and then you're gonna press this down with boiling water, and it's actually going to be a pour over coffee then. So I just put away all of the glass mugs, but I'm gonna pull it out because I think it's gonna fit perfectly with this filter. I just want to double check. So yeah, what you'll do, oh my gosh, it literally is perfect, you guys. Look at that. It's literally perfect and made for it. So this is where you'll put your coffee, and then like I said, you're going to press that down, pour the water over top. It will catch all of the coffee grounds up here in the top in this saucer as well. And then you're going to have this straight pour over coffee. I mean, that's pretty handy. I feel like even in an emergency situation, you wouldn't have to do the Vietnamese coffee. You could literally just do any coffee. So that is everything inside of my Bespoke Post box, you guys. I'm telling you, every time I open up this box, I'm excited because it's something different. It's something I've never tried before. This is an experience inside of a box. And like I said, the best part is I don't actually have to travel to go try this. I can try it at home. So if you guys decide to sign up for this subscription, when it comes time to customize your box, you can actually use the search bar and look for this exact same box if you wanted it. So if you're really interested in this one, all you have to do is search for the name of the box, which is this one here, and then it will bring this box up and you can choose it as your box. But I'm excited. Now, I don't know on the flavor yet. You know, I got to try that out and practice, but I do think it's a really cool concept. So that is everything for today's unboxing. Have a great rest of your day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing today like I did, but I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!